Okay, so this is our front lawn. With some wires down. It's, by the way, October 31st, 2011. So the fact that you're seeing green leaves and snow only means that it snowed in the fall before the leaves fell. And the weight of the snow on these leaves made all of these big branches go down. So this is our next door neighbor's property, which is really the one that took the biggest hit on the block. Here's the wire. The street is blocked, of course, with yellow tape. Big branches all over the place. This is neighbors across the street. There you have big trees broken apart. There's wire in there.